Hi, this is Dr. Van Horn here, Dr. V for short, and I have a health trivia question for you. Which health condition is characterized by a persistent cough, shortness of breath, and wheezing, often triggered by allergens? I'll give you a few seconds. If you don't have the answer yet, here's a first clue. It is commonly diagnosed using spirometry. A few more seconds. Here's a second clue. It is often managed with inhalers and avoiding triggers. A few more seconds. Time's up. Ready for the answer? The answer is asthma. For more health trivia questions, hit the follow button.